It's me, your cute boy. I think. Honestly. Pound. Never mind. Start the day of my life. Eat my strawberry cocoa crunch. And then
Nagre-reklamo ba ako?
right here. That's fine. Yeah. I think that's store farming.
Yung 50 nga eh. Kulang nga yung aking pera sa ano.
Mabay yung 50 pesos. Punta na kasi ka.
The next part 2.
Oh, sobrang nga yung balik ko sa'yo. 600 eh. Sobrang 20.
Right.